Hey everyone, today I am doing a new bikini try-on haul. It's summer, it's vacation, but it's so much more than that because it's honeymoon. And I know what you're thinking. I am like milking this wedding honeymoon kind of content to the last drop. And you know what? I absolutely am. I'm living it up. I'm living my best life and I'm doing a lot of shopping. I've kind of come to realize this is not the first event that I have responded this way, but I've just really zoned in on the fact that I think I respond to like nervousness or like excitement about an event coming up, and I want to prepare as much as I can, and I want to be ready and all of that. So I do what I do best. I shop. And I've been doing a lot of shopping lately. I'm sure you guys have noticed. It will stop soon, I promise. But I'm gonna try because as you're watching this, I am on my honeymoon. I'm in Hawaii and I'm married. Oh my gosh. Right now, as I'm filming this, I'm trying to like get ahead. I'm 1 week out. I would be getting married in exactly 1 week. Actually, let's consult the countdown. Probably none of you guys care about this, but right now, this is all I care about. How crazy is this? It's almost exactly 7 days and I'm so excited. It is coming up. Grant is coming home today. All of this is old news by the time you're watching this, but I don't know. I haven't been sharing the date of my wedding, so I feel like, I don't know, I'm like excited to say it now that I know that this video is gonna be going out later. Anyway, more shopping for my honeymoon. I ordered a bunch of bathing suits from ASOS after finding this one bathing suit that was really ridiculous and inspired this entire haul. I'm just so excited for everything. I'm so excited to marry Grant. I'm excited to like start a huge new, absolutely everything is different chapter in my life. Why am I giving you a life update? This is a haul video. It is a try on haul video. I tried on so many bikinis. Some of them were great, some of them sucked. I will tell you all my thoughts, and you'll also see clips of me trying everything on. There is one, if you follow me on, I don't even know where I posted it. I feel like I posted it everywhere and sent it to everyone because I thought it was so hilarious, but I ordered it. Just wait for it. Because there are a lot of legitimate cute ones until then. Are you seeing how big this bag is? We need to get started. Okay, let's start in a happy place. All right, if ever there was a happy place, this would be it. It is like a beach blanket. It's super strappy. It's got little ties on the shoulders, which I absolutely love. We've got a little bit of like mini pom-pom action down here. It fits really great. It ties in the back so you don't really have to worry about it fitting around as much. You just have to worry about the cups fitting, and it's also high-waisted. I love a high-waisted bottom. For so long, I thought they just like weren't for me. And then I got that bikini that I showed you guys in December or January, and I fell in love. And I got so many compliments on that bikini, and that honestly really made me want to get this. It's kind of like a copy off, like a poor man's version a little bit, but it's a little bit jazzier with all the straps and business. I really like it. I was shocked by how well the little high-waisted bottom fit me. I'm obsessed. I'm in love. I'm absolutely keeping this one. The only downside, in case you like it too, is the little padded foam cup thing right here. It doesn't quite lay flat, or actually I think it's just like this seam right here. I haven't fully like investigated on like if I could take it out or trim it or something, but it's something about the way the cups are formed that they don't quite lay perfectly. But this wasn't like $1 million bikini or anything like that, so I can accept that. It's so cute. I'm in love. This is my happy place. Bikinis are actually so hard to just like hold up and show, so hopefully my try-on clips are good enough and long enough and you can see what's really going on. But Leopard bikini, welcome to my life. I absolutely love this bikini. The top did turn out to be a little too small for me, so pardon me right there. Also, I have to say, I was wearing like little no-show panties while I was doing the try-on because I'm just like, if I don't know I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna try it on. I do not trust those little like plastic things. Like I am wearing underwear while I try on bikinis or bathing suits, and I'm so sorry if they make an appearance in this video. I did not intend for that to happen, but honest mistake. I'm sorry. I've officially been on YouTube too long for this to be happening, but we're just gonna ignore that, move right along. It is what it is. And I love this bikini, and I think that I am gonna try to order a bigger size for the top because I just really, really like it. Oddly, I don't know if this is like a totally out there reference, but I feel like if a pink lady was going to the beach, she would wear a bikini like this. Am I right? Do you see what I'm saying? Am I talking crazy talk? Let me know. Obviously, I'm in love. The bottoms are tiny, and I am kind of like iffy about super, super tiny bottoms, but these are bearable for me. Obviously, that is just up to personal taste. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. If you feel comfortable, I mean, that's what it all comes down to, what you're comfortable with. One thing I will say about this top is like very strange. There's like this little wrap detail here right under the boob. I tried to show it. It basically doesn't show on me while I have it on, but it just crosses under the boob. I don't know if that's supposed to be like showing you under boob. I'm not down for that, but it's still cute. I like it. All right, this next one was rough. It is so cute, but have you ever seen a more like DIY bikini than this? I was like, where do I start? I had to go back onto the ASOS app and look at the picture of the model to figure out what this was supposed to look like because I couldn't remember. So yeah, you just kind of put it on like a little jacket, like so, and then you have to tie it up front. And you might have noticed this is kind of like basically nothing. There is no lining in this swimsuit. It is just like, you better be comfortable with being out there because this is like zero coverage. It was a little on the small side. It was very on the small side on the bottom. Like extreme cheekiness. Definitely a little too cheeky for me. I'm on the fence with this one only because I am in love with the print. I love this kind of like golden yellow color. It's stripy. It gives me a kind of like retro vibe. I haven't seen another bikini like this. I'm sure it's not the only one out there, but that's the only one I have in my little hands right now. So I really, really love it. I kind of want to talk myself into it, but I'm not 100% comfortable in it. I know that's just a me thing, but just know if you think this is cute, know that you are getting into a situation where you will have like zero lining on the boobs and it's just like basically no bottoms. So, but it's cute. It's cute. I can't lie. It's cute. Oh, while I'm digging for this next one, thank you guys so much for all the sweet comments I've been getting about my new hair color. I got it toned and it's way less brassy and yellow and it's a little bit darker and I am loving it so much and it makes me so happy that you guys like it too. Just a side thing, gotta say thank you. But I have bad news. This bikini broke my heart. Have you ever seen a bikini that is more me in your life? This is from a brand called LeighAnnSays, and they have so many like cute, fun, weird stuff, and I always admire it, but I don't think I have any clothes from them. No, I have a t-shirt, whatever, doesn't matter. This is LeighAnnSays. It was the most expensive bikini set that I got, kind of a splurge. I went by the little product sizing guide completely, and I could not get this on past my thighs. Is it weird that I put on a bikini top from the bottom up? I just hate pulling stuff over my head, especially when I'm wearing makeup, especially when I'm just trying it on because I don't want to get makeup on it. So I could not get this past my thighs. This was the wrong size. I even got 2 different sizes to make sure I'd be okay. Not okay. This was not okay. Didn't fit me at all, but it is like the bikini of my life. It's got a ruffle, it's pink, it's red, it's hearts, it's Valentine's, like, why? But you know what? I'm kind of taking it as a sign. I'm not gonna order another size because I just feel like it wasn't meant to be. Like it's meant to be, but it wasn't meant to be. My heart is broken and I'm just kind of like drawing my lines, drawing my boundaries, you know. This is like a bitter breakup, whatever. Okay, somehow the bottom for this one has disappeared. Don't panic. Obviously, yet another one that is very hard to just hold up and show you. This one is so cute, but it is also very, very tiny. With all of these, I need to say, I went by the sizing guide. Kind of didn't work out for me in this situation, but this bikini is really, really cute. I don't know if it is completely me. I'm sort of on the fence about it. I like it, but I don't love it. Mainly, I just really, really love the ruffle detail on the straps, and I love that they crisscross in the back. I think they're so, so, so cute. It's so like flirty, girly, cute. I can't think of a better way to describe it. That's very generic. But with all the ruffles in this haul, it just makes me think, like, when this trend is over, when ruffles are not a cool thing or a cute thing anymore, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna like get my brain back? Will I have my free will again and I won't just like have to purchase everything I see with a cute ruffle on it. I don't know. That'll be an interesting time in my life. Keep watching. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if I said, I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this one. What do you think about it? Now we are getting down to business. This is the bikini of my life. I was born to wear this bikini. I'm convinced this bikini time traveled from 1991 or 89 or whatever, I don't know these things, to be in my life. You can't tell what's going on here, but I love this bikini. The neon stripes, the off-the-shoulderness, the little cutout band things, the high-waisted bottoms, which also, by the way, I was trying to like kind of guard that little hip area. It's a really cute cutout detail, but like I said, I was wearing panties to like protect my life and it just looked weird. And I made it even more awkward because that's just who I am as a person. But I love this bikini. The bottoms don't really fit, so I'm gonna have to order smaller bottoms, which kind of breaks my heart, but I love this and I have to have this in my life. The top was like weird on me. I can admit, I don't look the best in this bikini, but I feel the best. Is that weird to say? I just can't say no to this. I just feel like this is my Kelly Kapowski moment and I gotta roll with it. Rolling with the homies. Wow, okay, actually, I said that other one was DIY, but like, can you even see this? What does this mean? Like, this took me so long to switch into and I wasn't happy by the time I got it on. It's cute, okay, but it's just like too much of a craft project for me. Like, this is a DIY I never wanted to do, and I kind of get paranoid about tying bikini tops really tight because I don't want them to like come off and I want them to fit really good. And then when you give me this much string to wrap around my entire body, it just gets bad and I can't breathe. And I know I would have like awkward lines all down my body for like the whole day and extremely strange tan lines. We don't even have to talk about that because I don't get tan. But this is very cute. It has a ruffle. I love red and white. You guys know red, white, pink. I'm all over it. But this one is just, it's just not gonna work for me. I like it, but I also hate it. Also, I don't know if I even need to say this, but I clearly ordered way too many bathing suits. I do not need all of these bathing suits. In my defense, I like to cast a wide net, especially when I'm ordering online. You never know how things are gonna fit you, especially when it comes to swimsuits. It is just like luck of the draw, an absolute gamble, aka Russian roulette. And I wanted to at least come away with some that worked. And I don't know if this is just me, but sometimes when I try things on, it's just like an off day. Like my body just repels clothes and I hate absolutely everything. And I didn't want this to happen, especially so close to the wedding / honeymoon. I needed at least like one of them to work. So that's what I'm doing. I'm casting a wide net. This is how fishing works, right? I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but I'm just trying to defend my shopping problem. Just go with it, okay? All right, I hate to say this again, but this is another heartbreaker. I love this one. I love the little like really off the shoulder detail. Off the shoulder bathing suits, I have to add this. In case any of you guys are thinking maybe I'm unaware of the ridiculousness of an off the shoulder bikini, no, I'm aware. I am fully aware and I hate it. They're kind of uncomfortable. If you have a spray tan like me and you do not get real tanned, it rubs off your fake tan. So you have like armbands of pale flesh. It's not a good look. It's very impractical. So they really have to be worth it. And sadly, this one was not worth it. It is so cute, but again, this one is like completely unlined, which can be completely okay, but there's like all this extra thread in here. Like they didn't trim their thread or their material as they were sewing. I've sewed things in my life. I know a little bit about sewing. Strange, random, hidden fact about me. I was not intending to keep secret from you, but I don't think I've ever talked about it. But it just seems like they did not trim their extra serger thread, if you know what I mean. It's just like a really thick, like sewn thread. I don't know, it just feels like there's so much extra in here. When I had it on, you could very clearly see it and it looked really strange and not good at all. And again, like I said, this is completely unlined. And so I just felt like I just wanted a little more swimsuit for my dollar. and I didn't really get it for this one, and I like the color, but I have to say no. I just have to say no. So I'm leaving to pick up Grant in like an hour, and I'm so excited, and I need to clean up. So what am I even doing? I'm trying to do this. I'm trying to do this. All right, this was another kind of like over the top out there choice. It's another Lazy Oaf bikini. It's so cute. I love the daisies. Obviously, I can't even hold this correctly, so it's kind of hard to get on, but it was really cute once it got on, but I didn't love it. I loved it a lot more on the model than I liked it on me. The ruffles were somehow just like too big. I don't know why. I am a walking contradiction. I love ruffles, but they have to be the right kind of ruffles. These were just a little bit too big, and I don't know. I loved the little heart detail here. The bottoms weren't making me very happy. I didn't feel like they looked very good on me, but I just fell in love with the print. I love these little daisies. I feel like this is like the epitome of me in elementary school in the 90s, and I like it. It's a fond memory for me. I'm okay with going back there in the form of a bikini, but I'm not gonna keep this one. It's cute, but not on me. Okay, guys, it's time for the grand finale, the reason we're all here. I don't know, it's probably not the reason you're here, but it's the reason I'm here. This bathing suit stopped me in my tracks. I had seen it before, but for some reason it didn't make the impact on me that it did this time, probably because it was on sale. This is a bridal bathing suit. Let me just wrestle with this bag a little bit. Y'all, it has a train. It has a literal train on this one piece white bathing suit with zero lining, I need to say. It is extremely high cut. It's extremely low cut. You've got basically no bathing suit going on, but you've got all the bow and all the train detail you never knew you needed. I don't know if this is actually seaworthy. I don't know if you could take a dip with this. I just had to order it. I am so sorry. This is obviously a joke. I don't know. The brand is Pretty Little Thing. I feel like they don't have a lot of humor in their clothing, but I feel like the only purpose this could really serve is like a jokey photo shoot, or maybe like a gag gift at a bachelorette party. I don't know. Is anyone actually wearing this in the world? I'm sorry. Was this your bridal bathing suit? If it was, I don't understand your life. Explain it to me. I'm very interested. But obviously I had to order it when I saw it, and then it kind of inspired me to do this entire haul video just because I really needed the excuse to order it, whatever. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, but I'm having fun. It was so hard for me to do the try on for this one because it's like on another level of cheekiness. It's like basically nothing going on back there. I felt very naked. I don't really know how I'm gonna work in this try on part. Hopefully your eyes are okay. Like I said, I've been on YouTube too long. I need to take a step back, but I mean, do you blame me? I tried it on so you don't have to. I tried it on so you know it exists in case you need a gag gift for your girlfriend because her bachelorette is coming up. I mean, I love a bow. Don't get me wrong. I love a train. But what were they thinking? Why? I showed it to Grant and he was like, you know what? Cancel the wedding. We're doing it in a pool. Order it up. So I did. Things are going well. We have the same taste. I mean, it's a good place to start. All right. Thank you for humoring me yet again. I am imagining myself in Hawaii as a wife. That blows my mind. I know at this point in my life, I am a grown up. I should be able to like wrap my mind around these things, but for some reason it just like blows my mind every time I think about it, and it's a week away and I'm so excited and I can't wait. I'm not gonna go on and on about it. This was like a bikini video, but I'm excited. I hope you guys appreciated this haul. Hopefully it was helpful if you're looking for a bathing suit or a bikini. I'll put the links down below. Hopefully they're all still in stock. You know how ASOS is, but I'm just like overjoyed, and this is what I do when I'm overjoyed, whatever. Flapping my little wings. Okay, I'm gonna go pick him up pretty soon, so I gotta go. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Turn on the bell if you want notifications. I think that helps my channel. It also helps my channel if you like and comment, engage with the content. I don't know. YouTube is like always changing, so you know what I mean. I'm sure you've heard it from other channels, but I'd appreciate it. You can also find me on social media to keep up with what I'm doing. It's LeighAnnSays everywhere, and I love talking to you guys. And as always, thank you so so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, everyone. Where are we going with this? Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, the baby pink. I need to stop. I'm trying to be efficient.